everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I train people on how to make money online, and now I'm still training people on how to make money on affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine on his ClickBank affiliate marketing. This is profile. He got it. He got my software on November 8th, and he started marketing and promoting his product on the same day. So he started getting results the following day. And remember, my video course will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platforms. Because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use my affiliate marketing traffic generating software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platforms. So to get my software and my video course today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platforms, contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. With my software, you can earn as much as possible per day or per week, depending on the number of sales you make through the software. And my software will generate up to 5,000 leads daily and promote your link or your platform to this lead for you to get sales and conversion. And every of my students know that when you get my software and video course, I'm going to create a sales page for the products you are going to market. And remember, my software, my video course contains some information which will guide you on how to be a successful affiliate marketer, because you don't have to do it the general way people do it. There are some techniques which, if you know, and some secrets that are embedded in my video course that I'm going to tell you and guide you on how to be a successful affiliate marketer. There are some secrets you need to know. So everything is embedded in my video course. So to get my video course today, remember, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.